actually heard an audible voice, and the words were, "You're going to hell."
Hi, my name is Christian James Potterton. I'll be playing Rich in Running Through the Fire with Lighthouse Productions. Now, in the story Running Through the Fire, my character, towards the climax of the play, is standing on a bridge contemplating taking his own life. I'm fortunate enough now to be speaking with Jim Bova, who is the character that I'm playing. If you could just tell us maybe about your experience and specifically that night, what kind of led up to that situation?
Well, we were hanging out at a house in North Long Branch, and we were doing a lot of drugs, specifically acid. It was late at night. It was probably around 1 or 2 in the morning. So I walked along the ocean in North Long Branch. I know at one point I had gotten down to the corner of Atlantic and Florence Avenue. It's an intersection. And apparently I collapsed in the center of the intersection. But I got myself together and started to walk home, which led me to the bridge that separates Long Branch and Oceanport, the Pleasure Bay Bridge. And as I got at the top of it, I just knew I didn't want to get to the other side. And I just looked down, and there was these pilings. And I figured clearly enough that if I jumped into the water, that maybe I'd change my mind. Mm-hmm. But if I hit those pilings, then I would definitely be done.
Right.
And the struggle would be over. So I was on the railing and straddling it almost like you'd ride a horse, mm-hmm. just ready to slip over. And I actually heard an audible voice. And the words were, "You're going to hell." And that sounds harsh, but it wasn't like, "You're going to hell, I want you to go to hell." Mm-hmm. It was like a warning.
Sure.
Don't do this. You're going to hell. I got back on the sidewalk and walked home. It was sometime later that just a few weeks went by and I finally came to Christ and found peace. I drove over that bridge and still drive over that bridge dozens of times a week probably. But it wasn't until about 1.5 years ago that I decided to park and go up to that spot. And then to be up there with you on the bridge, you're the first time anybody else has been with me. It's a pretty awesome experience to have you there with me.
What better source material, I guess, when I'll be up in that bridge in the end of Act 1 than to have literally been on that bridge with the person who I'm playing. So it's a very, very incredible opportunity.